This is the Excel lesson 4 using external cell references step by step. I've got my O4 budget cell references solution workbook open from the previous exercise, and I'm now in the summary tab, summary sheet tab. I'm going to select cell D8. I'll type it here in the name box to make it the active cell. I want the average payment for electricity to appear here, but I want to get it by referencing data that already exists in the expense details tab. So I'm going to type equal sum. I'm going to sum these values in the expense details tab in cell N8 and then divide them by 12, the number of months out of the year. That will give me the average. Right. Another way to reference data in another worksheet is to, and I'll do the gas this time, begin to type. And then instead of typing out the name of the worksheet and cell number, we'll go to that worksheet and I'll get the value for gas. And then I'll continue by dividing by 12. And there's my average gas. So I don't have to type all this in. I can actually go to that worksheet and click on it while I'm entering my formula. I can also do the same thing from a completely different file. So in the next step-by-step referencing data from another workbook, it's going to have me type in cell C3 the following. My other workbook must be in the same directory for this to work. I type the file name first, then the worksheet, then the cell, and press enter. And it's replaced the value from a completely different file, worksheet, and cell here. Remember, if you do this without the other file, the O4 Budget 2016 file being in the same directory as the open file, your system will ask you to show it where the file is. So you'll get a pop-up asking you to direct it to the file.